I was a deputy and I would buy uniforms and I wouldn't have a great experience. I didn't enjoy going to the uniform store. We decided someone could do better. We said someone should do better. We're somebody, let's be somebody. So my wife and I started a company. My name is Brad Nelson. The company we run is called Nelson & Co. I'm the founder and the president. And what we do is we provide uniforms and equipment for public safety and first responders. We're based in Indiana, but we sell and service most of the middle America, Midwest. We opened our first store like at the end of 2015. We were doing everything manually on paper like uniform stores do. The little company got bigger, the little company grew, and we started to get into situations where we didn't know how to manage all the workload. We were using a different software program. We had a Shopify website. The challenge we were trying to solve was, how can we become a bigger organization at the same time not make it so complicated that we couldn't become a big organization? That's when we discovered Odoo. We were having some challenges. We just couldn't get the project to work the way the advertising said it was going to work. Odoo wasn't doing for us what we expected it to do. We started talking to the people in our life that we knew had used Odoo, and they introduced us to Vista. We had spent maybe a year and a half between planning our implementation with Odoo and grinding through the implementation of it and the challenges that it created. We met Priyesh. 6 days later, they solved our first pain. Without him, I don't think I would have known how to articulate what our challenges were. The first requirement we had, and it's going to sound silly, but we just wanted Odoo to work. We wanted what we believed all the marketing about Odoo told us it could do. We hadn't been experiencing any of that. I don't have words to express how much finding Vista changed not just the outlook of our implementation, but how we felt about Odoo itself. Odoo's fantastic. Vista's fantastic. The two together are the best process we could ever have for our business. The first way that the Vista team really is helpful is they understand Odoo. They clearly understand how Odoo works. They aren't spending time trying to figure out what they think Odoo's doing. When you have a conversation with them, they know what Odoo's doing. And then they know how to apply that to your business problem you're trying to solve. I don't know how to use words in my native language that says how much I like working with Vista. They understand how Odoo translates to the user experience, and they understand how Odoo translates into the business process. And it's priceless. How has the Vista team been supporting us, and is this an ongoing project? This is a never-ending project. And I don't mean that in the, oh my, it never gets finished. We are so excited when we finish something with Vista that we've already got the next project planned, because everything they do opens up the possibilities of Odoo, that we're able to see what's next. We're able to say, okay, we can do this now, this is working. What else can we do with this? The first problem we were having from our original implementation with Odoo is we were having this error that prevented us from clearing out transfers. Vista had that problem solved in 6 days. Because of that, we quantifiably saw an increase in customers using our services and our ability to be efficient in delivering those services. Would I recommend Vista solutions? How could I not? Every company that's going to try an ERP should go to Vista. In fact, now when people ask me what we're doing and why we do it, I tell them Odoo's great, but you want to do your implementation only with Vista.